Installing the spreader bar to the Combi C series is easy. Start by driving up to the spreader bar with your mast tilted forward and your forks lowered. Hook the fork carriage under the spreader bar, keeping it as centered as possible. Raise the forks and straighten the mast, taking the weight of the full spreader. Place the C series in neutral, apply park and switch off the engine. The locking pin, located at the front of the spreader bar, should be lowered into place and the locking plate dropped to secure it. Gently maneuver out using the mast tilt and raising the forks until the heel of the forks clear the stand. It is important to check the corresponding load capacity chart if a spreader bar is installed. You will notice the load capacity is slightly reduced due to the additional weight which is now attached. Without the spreader bar, the flexible load has to be raised very high in order to clear the racking. The spreader bar keeps the same load straight, so the racking height can be reduced, saving not only time, but valuable storage space. The load can then be safely transported on the platform without damaging the product. The drape or bend can cause high amounts of stress on the centre of the product, which can in turn cause fractures and even breakages, especially with long brittle loads. Sturdy or well-packed loads may not need a spreader bar, but can be used for additional stability of long loads if required. The spreader bar makes easy and safe work of flexible loads that can slip or move during transportation, and can be used on products such as timber, flat bar stock, sheets of plasterboard, and many more. They can also be fully customized to suit your needs. When you are finished with your spreader bar, it must be stowed in the stands provided, on flat level ground and in its designated storage area. Drive the forks into the stand, tilt the mast back, place the C series in neutral, apply park and switch off the engine. Raise both the locking plate and locking pin. Lower the spreader bar until the stand takes its full weight and the mast carriage comes unhooked.